So I am outside of a house in Denver that we are doing a fix and list deal on. This one, I think the total was around 40,000. We're doing a new kitchen, new bathroom, opening the wall between the living room and the kitchen. So pretty typical cosmetic upgrade. Here we've already, I was slow on the getting this first video done, so I don't have a before video. I have a kind of right after we finished demo video. So cabinets are gone. They were there. If you can picture it, there used to be a wall here with a door right there. So we ripped this wall down and put in two 2x10s to span the, hold the load from the roof trusses. So we'll put new cabinets in here. We'll leave the refrigerator and all the appliances in the exact same spot. We'll carpet this back bedroom. We'll carpet the other bedroom. This hallway will all be laminate floor. The bathroom will be all laminate floor. We'll put in our usual tile and new tub and new vanity to make it look like a much nicer house. So all of this we can do for the homeowner. It's about 40,000 they're gonna renovate, or gonna pay us back at closing, and I think it's gonna increase the home value by about $80,000. So it was a no-brainer for the homeowner. It was a lady named Susan that is selling this house and using the money to retire off of, so getting an extra $40,000 at closing was a huge deal to her. Like, that means several extra months of being able to pay for costs of being in an assisted living facility. So you can feel really good about the work we're doing. We're helping people out. We're also making money ourselves doing it. So that's this project. I will show it to you again when we're a little further along. Thanks for watching.